5 funny ducks are on their way. They teach us colors, numbers too. Come and count them, me and you. Number 1 yellow duck jumps so high, flaps his wings and waves goodbye. Quackity quack, he spins around, then he lands back on the ground.
Find your 2 red ducks, dancing feet, waddle to a silly beat. They hop and bop and swing with cheer. 1 and 2, we're dancing here.
The 3 green ducks with a ball, roll it, bounce it down the hall. Quack and giggle, fall in line. Playing games is super fine.
How the 4 blue ducks splash in the lake. They wiggle and wobble and make it shake. Splish, splash, splosh, they jump and swim. Water fun is good for them.
5 purple ducks begin to sing. Quack, quack, woo, in a silly ring. They flap and twirl and shout, hooray! Let's count the ducks today. Let's count again, come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hello! Bye-bye ducks, you're full of fun. See you again, everyone. Waddle, quack, and sing along with 5 funny ducks and a counting song.
Non-binary